Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up direct deposit with Chase, payroll setup guide step by step clearly. To set up direct deposit with Chase, start by accessing your Chase account online. Log into your Chase account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Select the account you want to use for direct deposit. Look for the Account Services link, usually found on the Account Summary page. Click on it to access additional account options. Next, find and select the Direct Deposit option. You should now see information about how to set up direct deposit. Chase will provide you with your account number and routing number. These numbers are essential for setting up direct deposit with your employer. If you do not see the details, you can also find this information on the bottom of your checks. Now, reach out to your employer's payroll department. Request to set up direct deposit for your paycheck. Provide them with your Chase account number and routing number. Confirm if they require any specific form to complete this process. Complete any necessary forms your employer provides. Make sure to double-check your account details for accuracy. Once submitted, ask how long the process will take to become effective. Typically, direct deposits can take 1 to 2 pay cycles to set up. Watch for your paycheck to be deposited directly into your Chase account. Congratulations, you've successfully set up direct deposit with Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.